Generated all these
So
videos using
this
free
is
AI tools. Yes, and these tools are not paid for, they are unlimited tools. So this is a good news. If you don't want to pay for Grok, there are 5 different alternative AI tools that will give you the best dialogue videos, good lip sync, and good images. And I also tell you to generate as many videos as possible and schedule them on your page if you're a content creator, or save them on your phones now that these tools are very, very free. The first thing you do is you go over to ChatGPT and generate your images. To You can also generate images on each of these apps, but let's generate it from ChatGPT so we can just use the same image across all the video generation. So this is I gave ChatGPT a prompt, and so ChatGPT gave me the dialogue prompt and the image prompt, and also generated the images for me. So these are the images, this and this. So go back to your Chrome browser, type Digen AI. So this is Digen AI, this first one. So to bring you to this interface, you click on this plus sign, upload image. So I'll upload from my photo gallery. I'm going to upload this image of this woman selling at the market with a customer. So I'm going to click on done. So I'll type my image prompt, then I'll click on these 3 dots here. So that can generate 5 seconds video. So the orientation is already auto, because my image was 16.9, so it will just pick the orientation of my image, generate at 480p. So I'll click on it, and I'll click on generate. So I'll click on generate and wait for my image to be generated. So let's wait. I'll click on generating. It's generating. So Digen AI generates image very fast, but there's after generation, after generating your image with Digen AI, there will be a watermark at the edge of the video. So what you do is you can crop out the watermark when editing your video. So Digen AI has generated the video for us. Let's play the video and see.
Madam, how many tomatoes you want? 1,000 per plate. Reduce the price now. It's too cost.
Wow, this is good. So you also have option of enhancing your video using Digen AI. So this is a video that Digen AI generated for us. So this watermark, you can, while editing your video, you can crop out this watermark and have your perfect video. And you can generate as many videos as possible using Digen AI. The next tool is LimSync AI. So I'll type LimSync AI. So this first one is LimSync AI. To give you different option, so click on AI dialog, but you can click on AI dialog, but you need a lot of credit to generate AI dialog. So if you have enough credit, over 50 credits, you can generate AI dialog. But I don't have enough credit. So I'll go back to LimSync tools. So you see a lot of options: singing photo, talking photo. So every day when you sign up to LimSync AI, you'll be given 50 credit. So you have to sign up for 2 days to get enough credit to generate the AI dialog videos. So I have less than 50 credits. So I'm going to generate a talking photo. So I'll click on talking photo. So I'll click on talking photo. So I'll click on talking photo 1.0, which is the fastest. So I'll click on this upload photo. So I'll upload the photo from my library. So I'm going to upload this photo of a man and his wife. So I'm going to say, so I'm going to type, okay, I'm going to type what I was made by, online, I was made by Unique Creates. So this is what I want the photo to say. So I'll come over here. I'll choose the voice I want. So you have a lot of voices. If it's a man, if it's a woman, just choose a voice. I'll leave it at trust what man. The subtitle because I want to do my own subtitle, and I'll click on happy because I want the man to say it happily. So I'll click on generate. So this will cost me 3 credits. But I have 55 credits. Every day you sign up, you'll be given extra credit. So you can generate your videos in parts and wait for the next day. If you exhaust your credits, you can wait for the next day to get more credit to generate, continue generating your video. So I'll click on generate video. It will generate my video for me. My video is generating. Limsync AI has generated my video. So this is it. Limsync AI generate videos without watermark.
I was made by Onienye Creates.
Limsync AI generates videos without watermark and generate as long as 90 seconds video. So this, at least you can, with Limsync AI, you can generate much video as possible. Sign in every day into this app, it will give you credit. So when you have enough credits, you can generate your videos, and as you can generate as many video as possible. And you can also generate dialogue video. The next tool is one dot video. So go back to your Chrome browser, type one dot video. This is so it will bring you to this interface. Just click on this plus sign. Click on this arrow here to give you option of either image or video. So click on video. So click on this part, these three dots here. You adjust your video based on what you want. So I want it to be 16 by 9 720p, which is free of charge. I want to generate without credit. If you generate with credit, it's faster. So I'll generate without credit. I'll set it up, generate without credit. So I'll upload my image. So I'll click on frame. So click on upload image. So click on upload image, take it to your photo gallery. I'll just pick on this image I want to upload. Then you can type what you want your image. Type what you want to. I've been given admission. This is what I want this image to say. I have been given admission. So I'll click on generate to generate my video for me. Click on generate. So my video is being generated. So to take a little time, let's say 3 minutes, 4 minutes to generate. To take like 3 minutes, 4 minutes to generate my video. One dot video has generated my video. So let's play the video.
I have been given admission into the university.
So this is my video. One dot video generates video, but there's a little watermark at the end of the video, which you can easily crop while editing your video. The next tool is QuenChat. So go back to the QuenChat app, click on it, click on this plus sign, click on upload file. So I want to upload this file. So I click on, so go back to this plus sign, click on create video. So on this create video, my image is already on 16 by 9, so it will take my image. So I'll just type the dialogue what I want my image to say. So I'll paste what I want my image to say. Okay, I'll select the first woman say. So you can describe your characters with whatever you want them to say. So you just make them say what you want them to say. So this is it. So let the second woman say. So after typing what I want them to say, so I'll click on this part. Click on this part. So it will generate my video. QuenChat take like less than 3 minutes to generate a video. So my video has been generated. Let me play the video.
My daughter has gotten admission to the university. Don't worry, I will help you.
So the next tool is chatgpt. ChatGPT. So click on ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT to generate your images. I told ChatGPT to generate image for me of a young man in a gym. So this is the image. I will just click on this part and download the image. So I'll click on download. Save. So I'll save this image. So I'll go over to CapCut, click on this new video. So I'm going to click on photos, click on this image that ChatGPT generated for me, click on add. So I'm going to click on add audio. So record. So I'll press this here and allow. Okay, keep working out. To stop the recording so I can play it. So this is the beauty of life. So this is, I'm going to cut this part, then cut my audio, then I can export this. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comment section any video you want me to create, and I will create it and post on this channel. See you in my next one.